So this week, the UN revealed that they've written to the Chinese government about their plans to try to control the future Dalai Lama. Several UN rapporteurs have expressed to China that their plans to try to control the future Dalai Lama is a violation of Tibetans' human rights, their rights to freedom of religion and their rights to freedom of culture. And of course, it's in direct violation of the Dalai Lama's own instructions himself, in which he states that he and his trust will be the only ones who select the future Dalai Lama. This is good news for us here in Australia and Australia Tibet Council. We've been campaigning on this issue for years, and we've been asking the Australian government to make it clear that they will not accept a Chinese appointed Dalai Lama in the future, and they will only accept a Dalai Lama appointed by traditional Tibetan Buddhist practices under the instructions of the Dalai Lama. This UN letter will be shown to the Australian government and will add to the pressure that's on Foreign Minister Penny Wong to make a clear statement in support of the Dalai Lama and for religious freedom for Tibetan people. We hope that you will stay committed to this campaign and will advocate for the Australian government to do more for the Dalai Lama and for Tibet. Thank you.